Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the second chapter of rational numbers, that is subtraction of the rational numbers. In the first unit we have discussed about the addition of rational numbers. So to start with, I am going to show you a general formula showing the subtraction of rational numbers, which was p by q minus r by s. So I can say that when we are subtracting r by s, the rational number, from p by q, what will happen? We will just solve it like a normal fraction. And here when I talk about this equation, I can also say that it is same as p by q added with the additive inverse of r by s. If you remember, last time we had read about additive inverse, in which additive inverse was nothing but the negative. If a positive number is there, it is a negative of that number, and if a number is negative, it is a positive of that number. So I'll give you a simple example to first show a subtraction. Suppose I take 3 by 7 minus 2 by 3. So these are the two rational numbers, and when I subtract them, as we solve in the normal fractions, 7 by 3, the LCM will be 21. When I solve, 7 3s are 21, so 3 into 3 is 9, minus 7 into 3 will give me 21, so 7 into 2 is 14. So when I subtract both of them, I get minus. The answer will be in negative because the greater number is a negative number here. So 14 minus 9, that is minus 5 by 21. So let us do some other kind of questions. Before solving that, I would also like to tell you about the property of rational number with subtraction. Let us start with the first property of rational number, that is a closure property. If you remember, we have also tested this for addition. So what is the property? It states that when I subtract the two rational numbers, I get the result as a rational number. So for example, if I subtract 11 by 7 minus 2 by 7, my result is 9 by 7, which is a rational number. The next property is associative property. In associative property, we will see that when we subtract three rational numbers, and if the bracket is in different parts, the result of both the side of calculation will not be equal. It is not associative. So you need to remember that subtraction is not associative. And the other property is commutative property, in which we say that p by q minus r by s will not be equal to r by s minus p by q. I'll just show this to you. If I do 11 minus 7 by minus 2 by 7, that was 9 by 7. If I do it 2 by 7 minus 11 by 7, the result will be equal to minus 9 by 7, which is not equal to 9 by 7. So it is, subtraction is not commutative, not it is associative, but it is only following the closure property. So let us take an example to show how subtraction is working. Here the question says sum of two rational numbers is 3 by 5. If one of them is minus 2 by 7, find the other. So we have to find one of the rational numbers. So let us write, let one rational number, or the unknown, we can write, let unknown rational number be x, because we can represent x as x by 1, which is a form of rational number. So sum of the two numbers is 3 by 5 and one of them is minus 2 by 7. So if I write minus 2 by 7 plus the other rational number which I have taken as x equal to 3 by 5, then how can I solve it? X, I'll take this minus 2 by 7 to the other side, it will become positive, as we generally do for the fraction, and then LCM of 5 and 7 will be 35. So 5 7s are 35, so 7 3s are 21, plus 7 into 5 35, so 5 into 2 10, and then addition, we will do simple addition, 31 by 35. What number should be added to minus 4 by 11 to get minus 3 by 8? What number should be added? So here also let the other number be x. So what should be added to minus 4 by 11 to get minus 3 by 8? So what should be added to, if 4 by 11 plus x gives me minus 3 by 8? So what is the value of x? So x will be minus 3 by 8. This is a negative number, goes to the other side, becomes positive 4 by 11. The LCM of 8 and 11 is 88, and then 8 into 11, so minus 3 into 11 minus 33, plus 11 into 8, so 8 plus 4 32. So as one is negative and one is positive, the result will be minus 1 by 88. So these type of questions you can easily solve if you know the fact about the subtraction of rational numbers. Thank you.